Hi, I am Manu.
Hello, I'm Bahar Chawla. I'm a model, actor and fashion designer.
And we are here at Cleopatra for a pre-wedding shoot. So Bahar, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm very much excited about my pre-wedding shoot. So let's go for it. Hi, this is Harveen from Cleopatra. As we have a beautiful couple today with us who are here for their pre-wedding shoot, as both of them are getting married, so Cleopatra is really making their dreams come true, and we are giving them 3-4 different looks with different themes where they'll have different hairstyle, neutral eyes, as such as smoky eyes, girly look. So pre-wedding shoot is going to be very excited for us as in Cleopatra and for them. Let's see what all looks we give them and wait and watch all different looks what we are going to give today. Now Bahar and Manu is here with us for their first look, where the theme and the combination is very neutral since both of them are complementing each other with black and white combination. So we are giving them very neutral look, very nude look, and emphasizing more on natural bouncy hairstyle. Now they are back from their first shoot and they are very happy and excited. So we discussed their second shot and shoot also, because हमने ये पहले ही डिस्कस कर लिया था कि हमने क्या थीम पार्टीज इनकी ओकेजन्स में लुक्स देनी है. So the next look is the red, where red is the highlighter, and again since both of them are fair and complementing each other, so red is the color where Bahar is wearing very nice hot red dress with a hot red lips and semi smoky eyes, where her eyes are speaking much as she cannot speak much, and fiancé is again complementing with the red look. So again excited for the second look. Let's see what it comes out to be with the theme. Now since all of us are very excited, the whole day the pre-wedding shoot is going on and the Cleopatra's team is really working hard on their looks. After the 2 looks we thought of giving them something traditional also. India में रह के अगर हम traditional look ना दें, so it becomes a little incomplete. So the third look is where we are giving her a Indo-Western look, not too traditional but Indian dress, where gold हमारा एक ऐसा कलर है जो किसी भी टाइम समय फिट हो जाता है. So it's black and golds, again both are having a theme color. So gold eyes with little tied up hair, semi tied, which is again giving her a comfortable look. Half tied, lot of bounce, which is giving her a height also and giving her a very sleek look also. So ये इंडो वेस्टर्न लुक में बाहर और अगेन उनका फियांसी एक दूसरे को बहुत कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं और थीम देखते देखते सबको मज़ा भी आ रहा है कि ये क्या चल रहा है और जिन लोगों की शादी नहीं हुई है दे आर ऑल्सो नाउ रेडी टू सी एंड ट्राई ऑल दिस लुक्स विद देयर प्री वेडिंग शॉट्स. Since now Cleopatra is very famous for its go green looks, वो looks हो या वो skin हो या वो hair हो या body हो, so we are correlating our Cleopatra go green looks with Bahar's look also, which is last but not the least her fourth look, which is Cleopatra go green look, where she is wearing a nice beautiful sleek green gown, complementing her again with a go green look. With green gown she is wearing a very nice natural flowery tiara, which is again reflecting towards the natural beauty which Cleopatra itself reflects. So organic go green is the theme for the season. So let's see how it complements with each other and with Cleopatra. So let's see what was the experience of Manu with Cleopatra and his pre-wedding shoot.
It was fantastic. I enjoyed a lot. So the shoot was fantastic. The dresses which they gave up, they were also fantastic, and the hairstyle as well. So everything was good. I enjoyed a lot.
And what about your makeup? You liked it? It's giving you a natural effect?
Right, it was good. It was perfect, I can say.
Thank you.
And in the last, Harleen ji, I want to say something. Back up!